Hello, in this video you will learn how to find and download the new 2014 Payson-branded PowerPoint templates and then how to install them in your own version of PowerPoint for Mac 2011 so that you can reuse them over and over again going forward. So within the instruction page on our website, you're going to go ahead and visit this URL. It's in Box, and this is an open URL. It doesn't require you to log into Box. As you can see, you're not required to log in. You can see all the templates that are here. I'm going to select them all by clicking on the Select All checkbox at the top, and then click on the arrow to download them. You're going to get a warning that this is going to take several moments. I've done this a few times, and it really doesn't take that long. I'm going to say OK. And when I'm in Safari, you'll see in the upper corner here that it says that the download has started. When it's completed, you're going to go to Finder, and I'm going to come over to my download folder, and you can see that there's a folder now called PowerPoint Templates. All you have to do is double click on that. If in the event your browser has zipped this file, you can just unzip it, and all you need to do is get to this point where you're seeing these 5 files now here saved in your download folder. And notice that they all have the file extension .potx. That means they're a template as opposed to an actual presentation. I do recommend that before you go to the next step that you have Microsoft PowerPoint open. So go ahead and open PowerPoint at this time. It's going to give you a blank presentation by default, but just have it open, and then I'm going to come and I can minimize that. Come back. If I want this almost white template, I just double click on it. It will launch in my opened version of PowerPoint. And if you look at the title bar at the top, it says Payson 14 Almost White POTX. Now this is a template, and every time you open a template, it launches a presentation. So what I want to do is save this as a template so that it's available to me for future use. You're going to go to File, then go ahead and say Save As, and right away it knows how to go to this folder, which is kind of hidden in the Mac operating system. They usually hide any kind of application folders. And I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that your format here says POTX. For some reason, if you didn't open PowerPoint and instead you're seeing a PPT, just go ahead and click on the drop down and change it and say that you're actually saving a template. If you have PowerPoint open, it will then supply you with the name. You don't have to change anything. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And I can go ahead and close this now. And how I'm going to be able to retrieve that is when I come into PowerPoint, I'm going to go to File, and instead of New Presentation, which is going to just give you that plain default white presentation, you can instead say New from Template. And you'll see that we're starting to build a template library of Payson specific templates. So to go ahead to repeat the process to take you through it, I'm going to go ahead and close this. Now I'm going to take the dark green template. Again, just double click on it to launch it. Make sure that you see POTX in the title area. Come to File, Save As. Make sure the format's PowerPoint template, POTX. There's the unique name, Payson 14, dark green. Save. And then it's lather, rinse, repeat. Just do the same for your other items. Okay. And save as. And you only have to do this one time. Now that you've actually moved these templates into PowerPoint for yourself for future use. And I can come and always go File, New from Template. And this one doesn't show a preview. Not quite sure why, but nevertheless. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I'm going to go ahead and upload the other two, and then we're going to show you how you can take an old presentation that you have and quickly insert it into this template, and just do a few tweaks that'll clean it up. It's quite a quick process, so you can kind of get rid of your old presentations that maybe have a lot of old logos or different variations of our name, etc., and insert them into these new templates. And that will be in the next video on the next next instruction page. Thanks.